Hello to all my friends out there. So now I want to I made pie crust, and I made some pie filling out of my dehydrated apricots. I will show you in a minute. I have made the pie crust recently a couple of times, so I won't go into that right now. But if you refrigerate your pie crust for about 1 hour, it's easy to roll out. There's no problem rolling your pie dough out. It doesn't stick to anything. You can just easily roll it out when it's cold. I will give you my recipe in a minute. That bread is delicious. You gotta make that, you guys. If you don't get anything, I say that when I do the cookbook, when that's gonna be, I don't know. It's gonna be whenever I get around to it. That's when it's gonna be. Okay, so now let's see. This could have been a little bit bigger, you know. That's okay. I will fix it in just 1 second. My eBay job is disrupting me, but that's okay. It will be worth it when the money starts rolling in pretty soon. I do the 6-day auction. So technically in 6 days, the money could start. What I don't want to do is I don't want to handle the dough too much. Okay, now, if you saw about a week ago, I was dehydrating everything, and this is dehydrated apricots. And what I did is I covered them with water, and I added, they were sour. It took about 1.5 cup sugar. So there's a lot of sugar in there. So now I want to just sprinkle a little bit of flour on it. So this is like old-fashioned. So it's going to thicken up. And then I need a little margarine. I think the worst thing you can do is when you're making cheap food, like say you're dehydrating your fruit. First of all, before going through all the effort to dehydrate it, it would be smart to check it and make sure it's sweet, which mine wasn't. But it's still going to be a really good pie in a few minutes here. Okay, so since I have very little pie crust for some reason, it comes out different every time. I will make strips. However many strips come up, that's how many strips I will make. Okay, so I want to encourage you guys to dehydrate. I dehydrated zucchini. And I made that zucchini soup, which was basically chicken soup with zucchini, and that was good. And I made a lot of dehydrated beef, and I made a lot of dehydrated chicken, and that big dog of my son's ate it too. There's none left. You know, in the wilds, when a dog a dog, a wild dog like a wolf, they'll eat 30 pounds of meat. So it shouldn't be surprising when your big dogs eat a lot. But it does seem like he eats a lot. They're expensive, you know. All right, so that's good enough. So now, let's see if I can just fit this on top as best I can. I think it's good. This will be just fine when it's all done. And then I will just bake it. This could be any fruit. It could be some of those frozen blueberries, you know, you get at Dollar Tree. It could be apples. It could be peaches canned. It could be anything you have. $4.25, about 30-35 minutes. Now, so you saw my video. You saw my video with Mandy's bread and the herb butter with the salad. This is delicious. All right, now here is my pie crust recipe. I sift my flour 2 or 3 times, and I just use the Walmart shortening, and I use more cold water. I've done many videos on pie crust. Okay, you guys, I will be back with the chicken dinner later.